Hi guys, this is Marcela. I really hope you are well, and if this is the first time you're watching our videos, I invite you to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell so you won't miss out any of our videos. For today, I will show you how to do this gorgeous hairstyle. I really love it and I hope you like it as well.
In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to do a very cute hairstyle with elastics and Dutch braids. Let's start.
I'm going to prepare the hair first of all using our golden treatment. I'm going to apply just one drop all along the hair, so it will be so much easier to braid the hair and it will be so shiny and healthy. Good. For the hairstyle, we're going to do a division on one side of the head and another one from here to the ear in this way. At the back, we're going to split the head in half, and now I'm going to do another division doing like a circle as you can see in here. Perfect. So we will have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sections. I'm going to start with these 2 sections doing a Dutch braid. So I'm going to start by picking up a small piece of hair from here. I'm going to split it into 3 equal pieces and we're going to cross the outside strands under the middle one. I'm going to add hair from this side to the braid. Now cross this strand under the middle one and add hair as well. Again, cross this strand under the middle, add hair to the braid from this side. And now from the right side, cross the strand under and add hair to the braid. We're going to keep doing the same steps until we add the remaining hair. Perfect. In here, I'm going to hold the braid with an elastic. Next, we can do this section and we're going to follow the same steps. Perfect. Now we're going to continue with the sections on the sides. So I'm going to take off this elastic. I'm going to start by picking up a small piece of hair from the top and we're going to hold it into a little ponytail using an elastic band. I'm going to use a green one. Next, add another piece of hair to this ponytail and hold it with an elastic. I'm going to use a yellow one. Add another piece of hair and again I'm using a green elastic to hold the hair. And for my next ponytail, I will use a yellow elastic again. As you can see, it's like doing a braid but just with elastic bands. We're going to keep doing the same until we add the remaining hair. And look how cute this looks. In here again I almost finished. And now I'm going to do the other side. Perfect. As you can see, we're ready with the back section of the hair. So we're going to do the front. I'm going to start on this corner by picking up a small piece of hair. So I'm going to split it into 3 equal pieces and we're going to do a Dutch braid as well. We're going to cross the outside strands under the middle one and we're going to add hair to the braid from this side and from the front as well. Perfect. Now from the back, cross the strand under the middle one, add a small piece of hair to the braid, and from the front, cross the strand under and add hair from the front as well. The idea is keep doing the braid like if you're doing a half moon. You will see how I'm doing it, so we can keep doing the braid and adding the hair from both of the sides. Perfect. In here, keep doing some more stitches of the braid until we reach this ponytail and hold it with an elastic. Good. When we are ready, I'm going to grab this braid and the ponytail with the elastics. Perfect. Join this braid as well and hold everything with an elastic band. Now hold the sections from the other side. And to finish this cute hairstyle, I'm going to cover the elastics doing a bow with a piece of ribbon on each ponytail. And this is the final result. I think it's beautiful.
We hope you liked this video. If so, give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you on the next one. Bye!